In this video by The Daily Eco, we delve deep into the world of coconut oil. We'll explore its science, benefits, and how to use it safely. Properties of coconut oil. While some debate its effectiveness, coconut oil antibacterial properties might help prevent acne and improve skin infections. Coconut oil boasts amazing antioxidant powers. As an antioxidant food, it helps delay or even prevent skin and body aging to a certain degree. You could say it acts like an anti-aging bodyguard, shielding us from the harmful free radicals that contribute to degenerative diseases. Coconut oil also shines in the moisture department. Its high content of healthy saturated fats gives it a remarkable ability to hydrate skin. This strengthens the skin protector barrier, keeping it supple and shielded from external aggressors. Beyond fighting bacteria, coconut oil also packs an anti-inflammatory punch. It's a rich source of lauric acid, making up nearly 50%, which helps soothe skin inflammations of all types. This versatile oil even adds nutritional value to your meals. When you cook with coconut oil, you're incorporating nutrients like lauric acid, caprylic acid, and palmitic acid. These are saturated fats, but don't be alarmed. They are the healthy kind, easily absorbed and providing a good source of energy for your body. The benefits of coconut oil are multiple thanks to all these properties. Let's take a closer look at some of them. Cardiovascular health. Coconut oil might lend a helping hand to your heart health by potentially raising good cholesterol levels. Elimination of fats. Coconut oil could be a valuable ally in your weight management journey. Some studies suggest it might help your metabolism function more efficiently, potentially aiding in burning calories. Brain health. This oil packs a punch of ketones, a type of fuel that your brain readily uses. This has led some to believe that coconut oil might enhance memory function, but more research is needed to confirm this. But before we continue, let us put you to the test. What exact percentage of saturated fatty acids makes up coconut oil? 50%, 70%, 90%. Think about it carefully because at the end of the video you can check if you were right. Dental health. Thanks to its antibacterial properties, coconut oil may help keep your smile bright by reducing cavities and dental plaque. It might even fight bad breath causing bacteria. Skin and hair care. Used in shampoos, creams, and scrubs, coconut oil may offer benefits for skin and hair. Some studies suggest it might help soothe eczema and psoriasis, heal wounds, and add shine and protection to your hair. We at The Daily Eco believe in promoting healthy choices. That's why we strongly encourage consulting a healthcare professional before incorporating coconut oil into your routine, especially if you have any underlying health conditions. Contraindications of coconut oil. While generally safe, coconut oil does have some situations where it's not recommended. Like any food, too much can be a bad thing. People with pre-existing heart conditions like high cholesterol or high blood pressure should avoid it, as it can further elevate harmful LDL cholesterol and increase the risk of a stroke or heart attack. Coconut oil may also not be suitable for individuals with digestive issues like Crohn's disease, high blood sugar, diabetes, or known skin allergies to coconut. And going back to the question we asked you before, have you thought it through? The correct answer is C. Coconut oil is made up of almost 90% saturated fatty acids. Well, that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave us your questions or suggestions in the comments section below. Until next time.